Transferring money on Kalshi is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to have a Kalshi account and sufficient funds in your account balance. First, log into your Kalshi account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the transfer page by clicking on the transfer option. Next, select the type of transfer you want to make, such as a deposit or withdrawal. If you are transferring money to another Kalshi user, select the send option and enter the recipient's username or email address. You will then need to enter the amount you want to transfer and select your payment method. Kalshi accepts various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. After selecting your payment method, review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the transfer amount, payment method, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent to the recipient's account. It is essential to note that transfer times may vary depending on the payment method and the recipient's location. Additionally, Kalshi may charge fees for certain types of transfers, so it is crucial to review the fees before confirming the transfer. To avoid any issues with your transfer, ensure that your account is verified and you have sufficient funds in your account balance. It is also important to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can transfer money on Kalshi quickly and securely.